Hi guys. Now let me show you how you could create data set. Okay, so I'm just going to create data set on one hand. I'm going to create for hi, two fingers, uh, thumbs up. Okay, so let me just show you. Firstly, let me create a static one. Mm. So I'm just showing hi, and then I'm clicking on capture or space two. Okay, I'm doing two finger. Okay, this is how you capture data set. So let me just give uh, some changes here. Okay, I'm deliberately capturing some stuffs by mistake. So here, this is the explore tab. So here we'll be able to see the classes. So here, if you see this one right here, this class is the wrong place. So I will have to change it to uh, thumbs up. So it has been done. This is the way you can do it simply in a simple click of buttons. So here this one has to be changed to two fingers. So this is another way by which you can edit or enhance your data set uh, for for training your model. Yeah, this is all about it. Now let me show you how to do the um, other like renaming. So here let's say I want to rename like uh, yeah. So the class name is renamed. So this is another way, and this is the button where you can just do it as export the JSON. So let me just go ahead and export it to my my downloads. This is done. Yeah. Now, yeah, this is basically the home page. Now what I'll do is uh, okay. Now, let me show you how you could import the dataset, import the export dataset. Just click on the import. All the 31 annotations have been imported. So this is the world and this is the new one. You just click here and see everything will be present over there. So this is how you can create a static dataset. Thank you.